My name is SHAHRINIso. I'm 45. I'm a musician, songwriter, and sound engineer. Since I was 5 years old, I started playing piano. And that was the beginning of a lifelong trip in the world of music. And it's still ongoing. I have never planned to be neither a professional musician nor a music teacher. Music has always been part of me. At the age of 16, I started writing songs, and I'm still doing it. At my early 30s, I met an outstanding Tajik musician and singer, Daler Nazarov, who helped me to further develop my songwriting and performing skills. As well as while working in his recording studio, I studied sound engineering and my career in a professional music band. That was a real get to know what music is. Having this experience, I have recorded my own songs.
Это правда, ничего-то я не знаю о тебе. Это правда, я не знаю, кто я есть в твоей судьбе. Добрый вечер.
In 2017, I have organized my live concert, where I performed with my band. Since 2013, I worked in Tajik film studio. In the beginning as a sound designer. And that was another whole world, cinema. Today my filmography counts 40 films, documentaries, fiction, animation, and I'm proud that some of them are awarded on international film festivals. My experience as a teacher started in Tajik Film Cinema School. First, I was teaching students sound engineering. Then the same I did for Didor Cinema School.
У нас сегодня 2 оператора, 1 звукооператор. Сейчас идет кастинг, отбор актеров.
Gradually, I started teaching music. Originally, it was sharing experience with the young musicians on how to play in a band or perform on stage, dealing with concert gigs, and so on. Later, the demand was growing, and I met lots of children who wanted to learn music. Now I have many students. Some of them are attending my lessons individually, others in a group. I still work as a sound engineer, but teaching music is getting more and more involving. During these several years, I have developed my own teaching methodology, and I keep improving it based on my practice. I am a happy mother of 2 beautiful children who are also in love with music. Madina is a graphic designer and a very talented singer.
I feel good enough for you to love me too.
Sanjar is a schoolboy and he plays guitar. So we have a lot in common to discuss when we get together.
Me, 'cause I'd already know.
Music is a hard job. Not everyone is ready to devote his life to become a professional musician. But I constantly repeat to my students that a good musician is first of all a good listener. Just listen to music, feel its power. Music makes you feel happy, makes you better. It makes things shine brighter. That is my main message. I'm sharing my knowledge and experience to show the beautiful world of music.